Jai Hind, myself Anush Tandale, and I'm a student of Galaxy Foundation. And today I'm going to give a presentation on current affairs. This presentation is given by Squadron Cobra. So let us start with the first topic, that is India and Taliban. India and Taliban are set to meet face to face Moscow format meeting, which will be hosted by Russia on October 20, 2021. The key points of this meeting are expected to focus on formation of an inclusive government and security situation in Afghanistan. Meeting will be participated by India, Afghanistan, Iran, USA, Pakistan and China. Second is World Meteorological Organization. World Meteorological Organization and other agencies released its new report on October 19, 2021. In its reports, these agencies warned that Africa's rare glaciers are going to disappear in the next 2 decades because of climate change. The report was released ahead of the United Nations Climate Conference, which is scheduled for October 31, 2021. The next is Alibaba Group. Alibaba Group Holding Limited have launched a new server chip on the basis of advanced 5 nanometer technology. This marks a milestone in light of semiconductor self-sufficiency of China. This newest chip was launched on the basis of microarchitecture provided by SoftBank Group Corporation. It is owned by the ARM Limited annual Cloud Summit Alibaba in the backdrop. Next is India and Israel about free trade agreement. India and Israel have agreed to resume the negotiations on free trade agreement from November 2021. Aim of this agreement is that both the countries will negotiate on free trade agreement with the aim of concluding long pending deal by June 2022. Discussions regarding free trade agreement have been going on between India and Israel for more than a decade. Next is Border Security Force. Home Ministry has enhanced the powers of Border Security Force (BSF). Under the enhanced power, the officers will have the power to search and arrest. What are the enhanced powers of BSF? The officers will also have the power of seizure up to the extent of 50 km in the three new states which are sharing international boundaries with Pakistan as well as Bangladesh. Next is Defense Ministry. On October 15, 2021, seven new defense companies were dedicated to the nation by the Defense Ministry. These seven companies that were carved out of the Ordnance Factory Board are Munitions India Limited, Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited, Troop Comforts Limited, Gliders India Limited, Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited, and Advanced Weapons. World Statistics Day. World Statistics Day is celebrated after every 5 years on October 20th. It was first celebrated on 20th of October 2010 by the United Nations Statistical Commission. Success of Indian Army. Indian Army wins gold in the exercise, that is Cambrian Patrol 2021. 100% population vaccinated. Kinnaur is the first district in the country to administer both the doses of COVID-19 vaccine to 100% of its population. This district achieved the target around 50 days in advance. On August 30, Himachal Pradesh becomes the first state to administer the first dose to 53.77 lakh persons above the age of 18. Next is Russian team back on Earth after filming first movie in space. Klim Shipeko and actress Yulia Peresild leave the International Space Station and landed in Kazakhstan to meet a crew filming the touchdown sequences. NASA launches its Lucy spacecraft to study the Jupiter Trojan asteroids. This was launched from Cape Canaveral in Florida. The scientists believed the Trojan asteroids, which orbits the Sun along the same path as Jupiter, may hold clues about the formation of our solar system. It's NASA's first ever single spacecraft mission to explore so many different asteroids. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to Squadron Cobra. Thank you.